How to fix Instagram Maps not working. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's begin. If your Instagram Maps is not working, the first thing you want to do is check if the location services are enabled. For this, open up your settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Now find Instagram and tap on this, then tap on permissions. Here, search for location. If location is not allowed, tap on the allow option. Also make sure that use precise location is toggled on. Now, if this doesn't fixes your issue, you want to head back. Now tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. By clearing the cache, this problem will be fixed. If it is still not fixed, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here you want to search for Instagram. Now you want to update the application to the latest version. For this, tap on the update option. By updating the application, any glitches or bugs will be fixed and new features will also be available in your application. If your problem is still not fixed, simply uninstall the application and then reinstall it again. And that's it for this video.
If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.